Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Renault Koleos XZG rear tailgate lock. To manually unlock the rear tailgate lock, from the rear doors go inside the boot and there'll be two little holes, and in these ones with a screwdriver you'll need to pull on or push the lever to your right from the inside, and that will manually unlock the lock. So to show you what you're doing is it's in lock position, that lever, pull it to the right, and then that will unlock the lock. To actually remove the rear lock, when you open the boot, all the way to the bottom there'll be a little cover. Remove this cover and underneath there'll be one torx screw. After you remove this torx screw, there's only clips that hold this panel in place. You need to remove this panel in order to get to the bolts. As you can see, these are all clips. Unclip, and then with a little bit of force, not too much, it will come off quite easily. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Just a tip, if there's any clips left on the body of the tailgate, take them off and put them in onto the trim, as it's easier to refit because it slides in on this side and then it's just more of a push on when putting it back. The lock itself is held on by three 10mm bolts. Once you remove these, it will come out of place, and all you'll need to do is unplug the tailgate lock by pressing onto that section over there, and that will unclip the plug. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.